Hey guys, how are you doing? Um, Emily's laughing at me, so now I just have to keep going, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, no, I'm gonna keep going because that's how I roll. So, um, yeah, so I'm wearing a jacket because it's cold in Texas in April. I don't know why. So, anyway, here we are. Yeah, so this is my sixth or seventh vlog update. I don't know, I can't remember. It's sixth or seventh. I'm losing track now. So I guess that means I have enough. I don't know. I'm gonna keep going though. Um, so this past week I worked a lot on just a bunch of different stuff. Oh, I remember something I worked on that I can show you that's pretty cool. So that's exciting. All right, so let me pull something up. This is gonna be really fun. And by really fun, I mean, I don't know, you might find it fun. We'll see. But let me share my screen. All right, there we are. Cool. So here is our React.js Dallas group website. I'm in the group. I've been there since maybe October or November, and it's been fun. There's a lot of cool people there. Very nice, very welcoming, very helpful. Um, anyway, I started talking to a guy named Joe Warren this week. Super cool guy. If he watches this, hey, thanks for all your help, Joe. I really appreciate it. So anyway, he recommended that I got on there and contribute a little bit, and so that's what I did. I got on here. I went to events, and this is what I changed right here. I just changed the date, who is going to be the speaker, what the title of it is, the link right here, and then the date. That's it. I changed that. That was the first thing I contributed to the website. It was really easy. Then I went down and I added this LinkedIn button right here because we now have a LinkedIn for the group. And I also made this a dynamic date changing thing. So it said 2019. Now it changes depending on what day, what year it is. It's going to be updated right here automatically. So anyway, if you click the LinkedIn, it'll take you here. I don't know if that's even sharing. Hold on, let me try it again. I'm just gonna share my screen. So this is gonna be weird. There's gonna be like, there we go. All right, cool. Yeah, my screen is a little crazy right now. So here is the React.js Dallas group and all that stuff. And you can see over here, I have my messages open. So you're welcome. I don't know. There's not anything good in there, but anyway, so that was what I did at the beginning of the week was I learned how to use I learned how to contribute to an open source project, which gave me a little resume boost, which I was cool with. And then talked to Joe a lot. He was super helpful, and he also introduced me to a recruiter. So I have two recruiters now that I've talked to, which is exciting. And then towards the last half of the week, Rob Bertram gave me a project that they actually give all the front end applicants to where he works. So let me show you what that looks like. This is called, I'm calling it Mars Rover app. What it does is it connects to the Mars rover in on Mars, and it connects to an API that then pulls the pictures that they've taken of Mars, and it just posts it on the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish building it out, and I'm going to make it all pretty like, and then it'll just be like you can put in a date, and then it'll pop up an image, and you'll be able to look at that image, and and yeah, and so it'll be neat. You'll be able to look up Mars pictures depending on the day. So anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm building. So I'm going to go over the structure a little bit. So if you are not a programmer, I'm sorry if this is boring, but you know, this is what you picked to look at. So okay, cool. Anyway, so I have several. It's over here in React. I have several components. You know, my app.js, I'm trying to keep as small as possible, basically. So I have some stuff I commented out while I was testing. I'm not done with this, obviously. But, and then I have right here, I have my two components that I want to render within app. So it starts with date choice. So in date choice, it gives you three inputs. You're going to put the year, the month, the date, or the day, and then on click, it's going to update the state. Oh, sorry, it's going to update the state right here. So you have a year, a month, and a day, and then the global state, I'm using something called Recoil.js, is going to update right here based on the local state. And so the global state will be updated right here, and I have a console log just because I'm testing stuff. And then from here, it will send I'll take this recoil state. This is the global state. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna move to NASA.js. NASA.js is my get like it's where I'm getting the API, like where I'm calling the API. So here I have chosen date right here. Here's the information from chosen date. Actually, sorry, date choice. So I took it's called an atom, and this atom moves and takes the state with it. And here it is right here. Use recoil value, photo date state. Say that 3 times fast. Anyway, that's the information from the date choice. So it takes that and then it makes it right here into const date. And then right here, I put it into the format that it needs to be in for this link. And then I call after using Axios, I call the API and I'm going to set the current photo for the data. And then boom, it pops up right here into another atom, another recoil atom that I'm calling photo. And so it sets it right here, set current photo, boom, photo. And then photo is going to be sent to image render. Image render is literally just going to do that. It's going to render the image. So it calls NASA right here. And then right here, it takes photo, which is the global state. And then right here, it's just gonna plug the SRC right there and then pop out an image that has that. Now, truth be told, this is not working yet. Like, let me show you what it looks like whenever I run it. Let's see, npm start. Wait a little while, and there we go. So this is what it looks like. It's got some stuff, some inputs. So right here, I'll put like, I don't know, 2019, November 9, find photo. And there's nothing. Yay, that's where we're at. So I'm going to be fixing it. And hopefully by this time next Saturday, I'll be like, look at this app. It looks cool. So just remember, if you watch this video and then you watch the next one, now I'm getting ahead of myself. Hopefully next week, this will be like, there'll be a background and there'll be a pretty place for the image to go, and the inputs will look nice and the button will look good and it will be functional and it'll work. We'll see what happens. Okay. I'm planning on this being like my best front end project that I've made, honestly. And then I'm going to start diving into backend. So I'm pretty excited about that. But anyway, that's my plan to get done with this, to start learning Nest.js on backend, getting back into Free Code Camp, getting back into Udemy, getting some help from my friend Rob and anybody else who's willing to offer help, and just getting as far as I can. I'm about to increase the efforts on my job search, and so we'll see how that goes, and I will keep you posted in the weeks to come. So again, if you've been watching this, thank you for checking out my videos. Hopefully they help. Hopefully, I don't know, hopefully you get something from them. Like, this is just my journey and I'm excited about it. And I'm glad that, people are wanting to share with me and stuff. And, you know, everybody's got their journey. And the biggest thing is you just keep going. No matter the obstacles, you just keep moving. Like this week, I have 3 long days at work. Like, the first and the third are going to be really long. The second one will be long, but it won't be as long as the other 2. But they're going to be 3 long days in a row. It's going to be hard. Am I still going to code those days? Yep. Am I still going to keep pushing towards my goal? Yep. I mean, I am. And, I had some obstacles. I think I said I was going to work on a calculator. That didn't go so well. So I might go back to it one day, hopefully, maybe. But you just got to keep pushing and just keep finding your way through. So anyway, all right, cool. Well, that's that. Hopefully y'all enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.